Yeah.
And toilette. So, do you like it? Expression likes and dislikes in Gaelic.
Antolete.
And toilette. Do you like it? I must say I use the old spelling because it makes more sense to me than the new spelling when they actually got rid of GH and just put that all together. It does make sense to me because the word toy means kind of agreement. So does it agree with you? And that's why you use le as well after that with. So does it agree with you? So the word toy means agreement. So does it agree with you? And then it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. So it either
And
agrees with you, it doesn't. Le means with. So that with you.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. But we'll see this one in the next slide. So until that and until leave. So the first one is informal. The second one is formal. So to ask if you like something, until that. So do you like something? All right. And so to say yes or no, you say istol or hatol. So istol means yes, hatol means no.
Istol.
Istol, yes, and hatol, no. Okay. Clear that. Okay. Example. Istolem su. I like juice. Well, in this case, it's su orange. It could be any juice. So, istolem su. Okay. Hatolem arengel. Hatolem arengel. So this is for he. So istolesh bainne. Istolesh bainne. He likes milk.
Bainne.
Bainne. Istolesh bainne.
Bainne.
Oh, he likes milk. Okay. Hatolea brochan. Oh, she. So hatolea brochan. She doesn't like porridge. Oh, hatolea brochan.
How do I know? No, it's she and not he doesn't like porridge.
Oh, you mean this?
Yeah. Ah.
It's called prepositional pronoun. And here you've got 4 of them out of this paradigm. So they are,
all right. Okay.
there are 6 in the paradigm normally. You've got 4 of them here. Okay.
Okay.
And for the 4 you use the most, probably most frequently. Hatolea brochan. Okay. Right. Okay. So to say that you really like something, you say is fear holem. Different one. Is lugha oram. Is lugha oram. I hate. Is lugha oram. You can also use is back oram. This being a smaller, back. So you can say it's bekorum too, or it's lugha. Huh? So if something is all right, you say ha kashtelor, whatever. So you put your noun there, and then you say kashtelor. Oh, kashtelor actually means all right, good enough, kind of, right enough. Kashtelor. Yeah. When you don't really like it, but you don't hate it either. So, okay. So, ishalem. So we're back to le. Ishalem. Ishalem. Sometimes you get apostrophe instead of this I. But it's I actually. Ishalem. So, oshalem. Ishalem. I prefer. This has been a comparative again, yeah? Just like, is bekorum or is lugha? So this means better. Yeah? This means better, as you should know. Yeah? So better
That
with
means
me.
better.
Yeah. It's better with me. So you in this sentence is tolling tea and coffee.
Can you say it again?
Ishalem coffee. Ishalem.
Ishalem.
Ishalem coffee.
Oh, there is a R. Ishalem.
Yeah, of course. Ishalem.
Oh yeah, Ishalem coffee.
Okay. Okay. So we had food so far and drink so far, but this is about clothes. Jean tutor is tolev. Jean tutor is tolev. What clothes do you like? Jean tutor is tolev. So we had uitach last time. Clothes.
Yeah.
Jean tutor is tolev. So what clothes do you like?
Isvetolium Philip.
Stadium Felix. Beleva. And another one. Jean tutor nachtolet. What clothes don't you like? Jean tutor nachtolet.
and Tota Nachtolet.
Nachtolet.